Hello, financial fans. You remember me. I'm not a financial advisor, but I will tell you what stocks I own and how they are doing today. Today is Wednesday, the 23rd of June, 2021. We're in the future already. And my stocks today, this Wednesday, my stocks are up 0.46%, which is a good move upward, not fantastic, not a record breaker or anything. S&P 500 is up 0.03%, so I'm beating the S&P 500. And the Dow Jones Industrial's up, or no, down 0.08%, so I'm beating the Dow Jones 30 stocks. And the NASDAQ is up 0.13%, so I'm beating the NASDAQ. I'm beating all the indexes today. And we'll take a look at my individual stocks. And remember, I am not telling you what to buy. In fact, there's a lot of things you can buy that are not stocks. You might be wise at this point to invest in real estate while the interest rates are low, depending on your situation, your age, your plans for the future. You can borrow a lot of money at a low rate of interest right now. So the real estate market might look good for you, or some other, depending on what you do for a living, maybe tools of your trade. If you're a YouTuber, you might want to get a new YouTube camera or microphone or something. I will not tell you what to do with your money. That is for you to decide, but I'll tell you what I have got in the way of stocks. I also do have some real estate holdings, and I have tools of my trade and all that. But my stocks at this moment, this Wednesday, the 23rd of June, 2021, one of my stocks, starting at A, is AGNC. Since I bought it, it is down 0.34%, so down about 1/3% since I bought it. I've held onto it for a long time. Amazon, AMZN, I've still got that. And it is up 80.77%. It's down a little bit for today. ARCC, since I bought it, it is down 0.83%. ARKF is down 0.95, about 1% since I bought it. ARKG is up 14%, 14% since I bought it. ARKK is down 3.24% since I bought it, and all these percentages are since I bought the stock, not today alone, but since the period of time I've been holding on to the stock. ARKQ up 1.19%, ARKW up 3.79%, ARKX is up 2.84%. BETZ bets is a gaming stock for the people who are planning on betting on the gaming industry coming back. Las Vegas and I guess Atlantic City still has gambling spots and so on. By the way, all my stocks are either on the NASDAQ and ASDAQ or the New York Stock Exchange, except for one stock where I did buy something over the counter as a test of something. But BETZ is up 7.5% since I bought it, and I expect that one to go higher. BIDU is barely up 1/3%. BNGO, it's a pharmaceutical type of stock, and genomes or whatever they call it, BNGO. It's up 40% since I bought it, so that's been a good performer. BP, which is an oil stock, is up 12.96%. BTI, which is a tobacco stock, is up 8.42%. CCIV, that one's been up and down, and it's currently up 11.22%. CHY is up 45% since I bought it, and I'm pretty sure that's one that pays a pretty hefty dividend. So let me slide this up a little bit. So CHY up 45%. CIM is down 7.8%, almost 8%. CVS, the drugstore stock I bought when it was down. CVS is now up 40.37%. For me, I've got to start looking at the possibility of selling that sometime in the near future. DHT is up 27.7%. eBay is up 8%. Right after I bought it, it went down, and it's doing well now. EPD is up 5%. Facebook, FB, is doing quite well. One of the stocks I like to hate, 81.34% is the gain. It definitely does well. They're business-wise, Facebook knows how to rake in the money and make the stock go up. And FRO has done well for me. It's where's it? FRO is 17.74% gain so far. And GILD, that's Gilead, is down 20%. That's a pharmaceutical stock. INTC still down for me. It's down 4.32% since I bought it. Mo, that's Altria, which is a tobacco stock, 26% gain since I bought it. Merck, MRK, pharmaceutical, up 2% since I bought it. NIO, NIO, car manufacturing stock, electric vehicles. NIO is up 16 2/3% since I bought it, and it's been having a good week or two. NVS is up 12% since I bought it. NYCB is down 11.5%. OGN is down 20% since I bought it. Have not had it that long. And PFE, Pfizer, is up 19% since I bought it. PGR is up 9% since I bought it. PM is up 15.56% since I bought it. And PRNT, 3D printing, is up 1.26%. Qualcomm is up almost 1% since I bought it. RTX, Raytheon usually does well for me. It's up 20% since I bought it, and I think that will be going up more this year. SBSW is down 5.5% since I bought it. Sun, SUN, Sunoco, is up 33%. I'll have to be watching for opportunity to sell that one sometime in the not too distant future. TOSYY, that's the experimental stock I bought, and it is still down 0.3%. As soon as it shows some green ink, I'll be selling that. TSLA, Tesla is down 1/3%. I think Tesla's about to move into the green. UFO, that's the stock I bought to take advantage of the conversations that one of these days in the next week sometime there should be congressional level talks about flying saucers, and I would expect UFO, which is a space ETF, exchange traded fund, I would expect UFO to do well when noise starts happening in Congress about whether there are or not alien life forms here on this planet. And the one thing you can bet on when that conversation does take place is the government will not say whether or not there is any alien life forms here. And if somebody in the government does say that there is or is not some sort of alien visitors amongst us, it will be assumed that the government spokesperson is lying, and conversation will probably go on, and in a couple of months we'll know no more than what we know right now. But the stocks that are space-oriented should go up, in my humble opinion. But that's not financial advice, of course. Vale, V-A-L-E, is up 2.7%. VEDL, up 12.97%. VTRS, down almost 2%. VZ, down 0.23%. Workhorse, WKHS, it's starting to crawl out of it's doing very well today, and it's starting to crawl out of its hole, but it's still down 36%. It was down more than 50% for me, but now it's down only 36.29%. Exxon Mobil, down 21% since I bought it long ago, paying me a very good dividend. And XRX, Xerox, is up 17.8%. I do intend to remain in the market for a while yet. I don't see any major gigantic crashes coming or anything. There will be certain stocks that have down moments, but I'm diversified at the moment with more than 40 stocks, and I caution you, do not buy stocks if you don't have the time or the 1 year of following the market and understanding it. Just, you don't have to buy stocks to be in good shape financially. You can do it with real estate, you can do it with whatever your trade is, whatever you do to earn a living. You just hang in there and look at the bright side. There's so many people who are throwing around predictions of crash and doom and, well, this is gonna end badly and all that. Life is great. Have some pizza. That's my pizza advice. Have some pizza. And I thank you very much for watching.